Hello everyone, I am Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. This video I can say is totally an unplanned one because I made all these DIYs just in 2 days, shot, edited and uploaded. Because you guys have shown so much love in my last video, I thought ye wala DIY video to banta hai. So today I'm sharing another easiest yet beautiful DIY ideas to decorate your home. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now. For this first beautiful DIY, you will have to cut such 4 round circles from a cardboard. You can also use disposable paper plates. You will need a strong adhesive, jute thread and a marker. Let's start with the first step, which is very simple. You just have to apply the adhesive all over the cardboard. Now take the jute thread and wrap it around. Once when you cover the whole cardboard with jute, apply the glue all over the boundary. Now take a jute string and fix it. Basically, we are trying to give it a shape of a plate or a dish. For the same, you have to overlap 2 to 3 strings to give it a proper shape of a plate. Like so. Now, take a pencil or a marker, make a pattern of your choice, like I am making on these rows. Once your pattern is ready, it's time to color it. You can use any color of your choice. Here I'm using red and black acrylic color. Your wall hanging is almost ready. You can put it on any beautiful wall of your choice with the help of double-sided tape. Or you can also make a small hanger with string and put it on the nail. Isn't it looking just beautiful, budget friendly and also renter friendly? To make this beautiful wooden wall clock, you will need round MDF board. I got this one from Itsy Bitsy. You can also use a cardboard or a square or rectangular shape wooden board. A clock machine. I got this one from a local watch shop for just rupees 100. First of all, detect the center of the board. Use a knife to make a small hole for attaching this machine at the back of the board. Here, I want to give a small piece of information. All these paints, boards and everything, I got them from Itsy Bitsy's offline store. They have recently opened their first store in Noida. So I thought those who are interested like me in checking out their store, I'm going to provide the address in the description box. And also this video is not at all sponsored from Itsy Bitsy. Now it's time to paint the MDF board. I'm using this masking tape to divide it in 2 halves. I'm going to paint the one half in white color and the other half in brown. I'm using white chalk paint, but I would suggest to go for acrylic colors because it's definitely going to, provide a good shine effect when you will apply it on the MDF board. Because we are making a clock, we definitely going to need these numerics. So I'm using these fridge numeric magnets, and I'm going to paint them in white and brown colors. So I plan that all the numbers which are coming on the white half are going to be in brown, and the numbers which are going to be on the brown colors, I'm going to paint them in white, like so. Fix these numbers with the help of a glue. Attach the clock machine. Put one hanger at the back of the MDF board so that you can hang it nicely on the wall. Because this clock is looking absolutely elegant and sophisticated, I thought it would complement nicely if I'll fix it against some decent white wall. So I thought this brick wall is the perfect. I put a command hook and hang it there for some time because this is not for my home. I made it for a friend of mine. So till then it was looking perfect here on the brick wall. For this you will need MDF square pieces, or you can also use old tea coasters. This is a decoupage napkin, and also you will need Mod Podge. So first of all, I'm going to apply the base. So basically I'm using the white acrylic color, and if you're using old coasters which are not in good shape, use sandpaper to smoothen out the surface and color it according to your choice. So basically these MDF rectangular pieces, I also got them from Itsy Bitsy only. So this is my first attempt to the decoupage. So please bear with me if I'll make any mistake. So this basically is a decoupage napkin. It has 3 layers. Now what you have to do is you have to separate the first top one from the rest two, like so. Now if you're using the old coaster or new like me, just take the coaster and keep the napkin on it. Measure the part which is going to be on the coaster. Now take a transparent sheet, keep the napkin and spray some water on it. Use a brush to smooth out any wrinkles if you see on the napkin. That's it. Now apply the Mod Podge glue on the coaster. Take the transparent sheet and keep it on the coaster. Press it and remove the transparent sheet. Remove the extra napkin and your DIY Mod Podge coaster is all ready. So to seal the whole project and to make these coasters waterproof, apply one more layer of Mod Podge glue. This is how it looks. So basically, as you can see, the corners are not looking that good. So I'm using this black acrylic color, and I'm just going to, roughly paint these edges and to give it a more vintagey and a roughy look. So I must say, this is one simple DIY which is very beautiful, and it is just perfect to keep it on your coffee table. And also the perfect customized gift for your loved ones, especially for those who love chai and coffee. For this, you will need small glass like so, or you can also use any old candle holder, glue, and at last you will need macrame thread. Now apply the glue on the glass and wait for some time. Now you have to fix these macrame rope one after other the way I am doing right now. Now you have to divide these ropes in 5 groups, and in each group try to have even number of ropes. Like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to start from the base of the glass. Take the first group, pass it under the second one. Now you have to do it alternatively. Now keep it on the third one, then under the fourth one, and then on the fifth one, like so. Now again start it from the base of the glass and repeat it the way we have done the first line. Now you have to do it till you cover the whole glass, and then use a glue to fix it and remove the excess thread from the glass. Beautiful piece is all ready, which you can keep it on your coffee table. Keep a nice scented candle and lit them. Enjoy your evening. Isn't it looking just perfect and beautiful for a perfect night? So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.